Hey, welcome back to Gary Paints It. Today we're not going to be doing a painting. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be looking at some of the paintings that you may have missed. I did videos on paintings that I've done, maybe, I don't know, I'm going to say close to 40, 50 videos possibly. I've done 194 paintings over the last 6 years, and a lot of those paintings, once I did them, they went to the person that commissioned me to do it, and I haven't seen them since. And so no one else has seen them either except for the person that ordered it. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to maybe go through and look at some of the paintings that you missed and that I missed because I haven't seen them since I did them. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to play a little music, look at some of the paintings that have not been shown on this channel. Not all the paintings are going to be shown today. Probably about 2/3 of what I've done, possibly. And it's going to go pretty quick. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check out my Facebook page called Classic Paintings, and you can see all my work there as well. So hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the next one. There will be no more talking from me. Thanks.